Let's go for our first walk in Stockholm. This park is right outside my door. And there's the metro station. So I have this card where I can go with public transport through the whole city all these days that I'm here. There's something special about the first walk you take in a new city. Everything is new and you don't know yet where you have to go. And that makes it for me really exciting because you just go where your inspiration tells you to go to. And look what I found. Even on a Friday afternoon you find empty streets like this. I love that. You know me. I need my calmness even in a big city like this. You can find it. So on this first walk through Stockholm I already found out that there's something special about this city. A feeling of calmness, like a pure peace. The people are not in a hurry here. Autumn is beautiful here. Wow, what a place. Many times I walked through Stockholm through my books that I had, and it felt so good to be here now in real life. A feeling of recognition. Even though everything is new, it feels familiar. I think a little piece of my heart came home. And this is the way in which I want to travel and explore new places. I am not in a hurry to see as many places as possible in the world. I do it my way. Another beautiful day in Stockholm. We're going for a little walk through the neighbourhood because I'm close to the water. And it's again beautiful autumn day, so let's go. Just outside my door. This feeling of calmness even goes deeper here. I realize more than ever that I'm not in a hurry in life. I am not in a hurry to live life. I want to slow down and enjoy every moment. This is my way home. Oh, couldn't feel more blessed to be in such a beautiful place again. Oh. Some time for myself again, to recharge, to look back on those beautiful weeks I had, realize what is happening, to create videos, write, find the inspiration.